how to recover your Valorant account and your Riot Games login ID. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can recover your Valorant account password and then make sure to recover your Riot Games account as well. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Your Valorant account is basically your Riot Games account, and if you want to reset the password for your Riot Games account, you can simply open your browser, or you can also do this process from your PC. I'm just doing it in my mobile browser. Go to riotgames.com, tap the three lines option and then go to the sign in screen here. Once you're on the sign in screen, of course, if we remembered our user ID and so on, we would be simply able to enter them, right? But since you forgot the password, here you can see can't sign in, so tap on the can't sign in option here. All you have to do is, you can see it says you may need to update to a Riot account before you can log in, or you can just cross this out here. Here you can see these options such as haven't played in a while, forgot username, or forgot password, which in this case I'm assuming that you've forgotten your password, so you can tap the forgot password option. So you can simply choose to enter your Riot Games username, or you can simply also choose to make sure to enter your user ID. Once you enter your username or maybe your email address, it will send a verification code to that email. So you want to simply open up your mailbox, check if you received any sort of mail from Riot Games. Once you verify that code, it will take you to the new page where you can simply enter the new password without having to remember your old password. This way you can recover your Valorant account or your Riot Games account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.